Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Aneida, and so happy to be here. And I am working outside of my craft room because I have all my taxes and everything on my desk, and the lighting in there at this time of day is kind of like a little off. The sun is on this side. So I said, well, let me come to my little family room, dining room, living room. Everything is together. This is an open floor plan, so everything is together. So what I wanted to bring to you today, that on one of my trips back from the doctor's appointment, I stopped over at the thrift store. Um, I forget which one. I don't know. I think it was the Super thrift store or the Haven Hospice thrift store. Those are my two favorite because they clean. They clean and more organized than the other ones. And so I bought this vase, this round little vase thing. I think now I don't know. It has some inscription back here, and it has a beautiful rose, and it has like it was inscribed for someone. It has the letter H J G. So it's like H and J, and then there's a G. It's like maybe the last name. So I don't know. It's beautiful. And it has a cute little rose. I don't know if you could see it. But it was clear. And I painted it with my Waverly Ivory paint. And then I went over with the gold pen that I had bought for my lamp, but it didn't work for my lamp. So I used it here. And so I like it. And my whole thing, I wanted something round, because these were pillars that I've had for years, and I demonstrated this in one of my videos. I think it was the video where I was showing that I had things from the thrift store and also things that I've had for a long time that I was planning on redoing for a future DIY. So I painted them. They were in like this kind of like terracotta color. And I had left them natural like that. I've had them for, I would say, about 30 plus years. I remember going to California to visit my aunt and my cousins. I was about 22, 23. So I'm going to give my age away. So it's been about 33, 34 years. So yeah, I'm almost 60, so it's around that age group when I was really young. So I had gotten two of them, and the two angels, I had glued to the top of this, and that's the way I had it for years. But I removed the angels. I'm gonna do something else with the angels, and these are actually candle holders. So I fell in love with them. I just thought they were so cute. So the other one, I painted both the same color. The other one I already glued. I have a little, like a shoulder headpiece statue of like a woman. There's a woman, and it's so I glued it already. She's all good, but I'm gonna put her on my vanity, and I'm just gonna drape some of my fake jewelry around her just to cover her up, because she's a little bit, you know, in the natural. So but I think it's a great piece to use for jewelry, aside from decoration. So I've had her also for, I've had that statue, and it was just, I had her separate, and I bought her at Pier 1, and I bought her when I was like 28 years old. So I've had these pieces for a long time. So I'm one of these people that I save my stuff and I take good care of them. But it's time to kind of like give it a fresh look, you know. So my whole thing was I wanted to do something like this. You know, like in the Greek gardens, they have these beautiful, humongous pillars, and then they have all these beautiful flowers flowing from it. So that's kind of like what I intend to do. So eventually, I am gonna glue it with the E6000 or the Gorilla Glue and the hot glue. I'm gonna glue it, but before I do that, I wanna do the flowers. So I'm gonna put this aside because I just wanted to show you what I was gonna, my intention for it later on. So these are the flowers that I'm intending on using. So I got these from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm gonna open them. I don't know if I should fill it up with bags because I don't want to, like, you know, waste newspaper or something. I'll be right back. Let me put it on pause. Okay, so I use shredded paper because I have been shredding a lot of old stuff from years back, and so using that, and then when I'm finished with this, I'm gonna add some of the moss. Okay, so it still has glue and it just got stuck to my hand, but it's not hot, thank God. I'm using my little spatula here, kind of flatten it out. And then I'm gonna use one of these. Doesn't have to be. So I'm gonna glue these two pieces. Okay, I'm gonna glue these two pieces that I added and broke there, just so they could stay put. And put some hot glue around the perimeter. And I think that's enough, and then I could just fill up the rest with moss when I'm done. So I'm unplugging, and this could go away. Don't need that now. So I have a mix of, you know, flowers from Walmart and from the Dollar Tree, and that's what I want to use. I want to keep it light and simple, and I want to use all of these if possible. So let's see how I'm gonna start that. Let me take off. Let me put this vase away. I love this one. I love that it sprays out that way. And I got the lamb's ears. So cute. There's so many people, they love these flowers. So I see a lot of YouTubers use these. You know, great minds think the same. And I am standing up now. I'm not sitting down, so I'm kind of like out of frame. But I want you to see more what I'm doing instead of watching me. So let's do the big ones first. I gotta watch the time. It's 10 minutes. Gotta do this in a hurry. This was a last minute decision that I said that I was gonna do today. It wasn't even planned out, so that's why I don't even have it, you know, situated or planned out. But I'm gonna cut these because they're all together, and if I wanna put them in different places, it's better to cut them. I'm gonna place you on hold. I don't want to waste time. Okay, so this is what I have so far, and I think it looks so beautiful just the way it is, but I like a little bit more. So I went into my stash of extra leaves and stuff like that. So I found these. I like these because they have the two-tone. So I think I'm just gonna stick like 3 of them around randomly and kind of like bend them over, fold them over. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Let's see. I have not put any hot glue down because I may change it later, you know. I may change it. You know, woman's prerogative is that she could change her mind. And I don't know about you, but I like to change with the seasons, and I also get a little tired of seeing the same thing over and over. So that's why. Let's see. So I placed that one there. I'm gonna go in the middle center. Let's see how that looks. I don't want to cover the other ones. These leaves are pretty big, but I could maneuver them, manipulate them, and turn them over a little bit. So it's kind of like that. And then I'll put one in the back. So it's just nothing back here. And Anise it. And just gonna turn this down like so. This one is a bigger one. Okay. I don't want to run out of time because I want to show you the way it turned out. So I'm gonna put it on pause, and then I'm gonna put glue and moss and then show it to you, because unfortunately I do projects that I could never finish letting you see the final work because it runs out of time. So it's 13 minutes and I'll be right back.